Welcome back, folks. Welcome back. Deutschland in another unboxing. Uh, yeah, didn't really have a title for this, and still had raccoon karaoke up there, so might be doing karaoke tonight, either from the tent if I can get the live working out there, but we'll see. So let's get to unboxing. As you can see here, got my Big Berkey stuff I purchased over Boxing Week and that, and yeah, let's open this bad boy up. This is the one that got delivered to, ooh, let's get myself careful. Shoppers Drug Mart. So I had to go pick this up. Luckily, it wasn't that heavy. But yeah, let's look inside and see what we got here. I don't know if I need all that information, so I just peel this back here. Come on. Don't rip that. Just peel back. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Safety first. Knife down. Alright. So, Big Berkey. Alright. So that's the lid. And just gonna slide out or something. Box smells kind of funny. Kind of funky, actually. Oh, maybe that's me. No, I think it's the box. I'd recognize that scent as not my musk. Elon Musk. Alright, I don't know why I got these useless little pads there, but toss them back in the box. Yeah, it's got a strange smell to it. I don't know if that's because of it needs to be cleaned or something. I wanted to save that top part in case there were like instructions, or maybe there's instructions inside or something. We shall see. Alright, let's slide this out there. Oh, okay, there's instructions in there. Let's get that off. Maybe it's this thing. It smells kind of like mothballs a bit. I don't know. Might have a purpose for that. Use a bag or something. Alright, probably not going to assemble it all now, but yeah. Yeah. There we go. This is 5 gallons, I believe. It's supposed to be 2.25 gallons. Okay. Well, I was half right. Almost. 2 fillings would be close to 5. 2 and a bit. Why is this? Is this taped inside or something? Come on. Why are you being stupid? Alright. Okay, there's instructions here. This must be the filters and the tap and stuff. Keep that all in the same box there. Come on. Go in. Okay, instructions. Here we go. Upper chamber, lower chamber, lid, knob, screw. Assembly instruction sheet, which is this thing. Spigot, nut, and 2 washers. Priming button. 0 to 6 blocking plugs, depending on model, and 2 to 8 purification elements, wing nuts, and washers, depending on model. So I think I got the 2 in here. Yeah, the black Berkey. Purification elements. Gets out 99.999% of viruses, exceeds purification standard, log 4. Pathogenic bacteria and surrogates, 99.9999%, exceeds purification standard, log 6. Pharmaceutical drugs, removed to greater than 99.5%, which is below lab detectable limits. And yeah, inorganic materials, pesticides, semi-volatile, organic compounds, box. Below detectable laboratory detectable limits. Trihalomethanes removed to 99.8%. So interesting. Heavy metals, high and low pH levels, radiological contaminants. Oh, also removes or reduces blah 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 blah. Arsenic, fluorine, manganese, E. coli, MBAs, nitrates, petroleum products. selenium, thallium, refined oil, rust, salt, sediment, turbidity, foul taste, and odors. Cool beans. All right. So let's keep all this together, I guess, in the one thingy here. And I'm not really trying to assemble it now. I'm just trying to set it aside. We'll deal with it another time. It's pretty much assembled as is, I guess. Okay, so that was for this. All right, I believe this is from the U.S., so coffee mug. I believe this is from signing up for Louder with Crowder. This should be my Mug Club mug. Cut away, Dan, cut away from yourself. Yeah. Oh, it's on side. Okay, that's cool. This is properly packaged there. Should unbox that one first because it's a little easier to unbox. So there we go. All bubble wrapped. Double bubble wrapped. Ooh, nice. Poppity pop pop pop. Fraser. There we go. You're getting louder with Crowder. You're a strange animal. That's what I know. Gowan. I think he's a Scottish singer from the 80s. Actually, probably have that CD. I gave it to my sister. She moved her out to Fredericton. Criminal Mind was a good one too. And Moonlight's Desire haunts me. Yeah, he had some good tunes. Wasn't quite the one-hit wonder. So, there we go. This is my G4 watch. Nice. Okay. That I got on the recommendation of Cole Cracker Bushcraft, who's also named Dan. So I think I got the Ranger version. I think I saved like 80 bucks on it or something like that. Can't quite remember. I'd have to look back. But that's why I'm keeping this risk free, because I got that one. Usually I had watches for my brother, but one, you wind it, but it doesn't start ticking away. And the other one, it's, they're both like Chinese knockoffs or something. The other one, the wristband broke. So, here we go. G-Shock. What's this? Help with the order, need to return. Okay, well, we'll just set that aside for now. Ooh, fancy box. Let's see here. What do we got? Open it up. Ooh, that's a thick booklet. Model number 3410, user's guide. And yeah, English and French. So it's from Casio. Alright, using atomic timekeeping. English, what to do if your watch stops, does not operate normally, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, we can refer to the owner's manual when I'm offline on my own. Ooh, nice little tin, too. I can use that for, like a fire kit keeper or something. Or like a little portable, EDC. Everyday carry. Nice. Sweet. Alright, well, let's try it on. Let's try to get it fitted. Is this the right side up? Yeah, G-Shock, okay. Tough solar. So it charges when I'm out in the sun. It gives me like compass settings, compass bearings, GPS coordinates. Charges solarly, so I don't have to worry about replacing batteries. As long as there's sun, should be fine. So maybe not so much in nuclear winter, which looks like a outside possibility with Russia and Ukraine, and then China probably sneaking into Taiwan after that. Well, not necessarily sneaking, but you know, when everyone's distracted, second front, another theater of operation. So we got international warranty card. that's all about. Oh yeah, and this gives me altitude, elevation, and it's water, uh, not water resistant. What's the other one? So basically, it can take up to 200-meter depths. So that's roughly 600 feet. It's pretty decent because the yard's about a foot, 3 feet. No, sorry, yard's about a meter, 3 feet. Okay, so I gotta fill this stuff out. Oh, Tokyo, Japan. Okay, cool. Cool. Limited warranty. How long does that last for? All insurance and then okay, 535 extra. Nah, we'll see. I'll deal with all that stuff later, but I just want to make sure I test it out. And I probably gotta stand outside for a bit while there's still sun. It's 4 o'clock right now, so might get another hour and a half tops. So yeah, I have other things that I can unbox, but it's mostly booze, so why not? One moment. So, basically bought a 2-year supply because this weekend we're supposed to have about half our truckers basically not making deliveries because of a strike, and that's due to our prime feminist old blackface, son of Castro, Justin Trudeau, insisting that all truckers that cross over from the U.S. are going to need to be fully jabbed. So, yeah, about 40-50% are going to be affected. So, yeah, it's a 50-50 basically chance that anything you get shipped from the States may or may not arrive. So, thanks. Way to escalate our inflation and supply chain shortages. So, anyways, stocked up on about, I think I spent something like $840 on booze yesterday. Grand Marnier, I don't really drink it. It's a liqueur cognac, but might make some good bartering. Prized possession, I'll just throw them all out here. Got some more Baileys, put my coffee, make it Irish creamy. Big boy Beefeater, London gin, go with my tonic water. Crown Royal, Canadian whiskey. I got a bunch of whiskeys. Yeah, actually, there's the receipt. So, oh, not $809.45. Yeah, and the lady was being a real bitch too. Total Karen. Was complaining about me not wearing a mask and then stand behind this and socially distance. And I just went and shook this other chick's hand that I was talking with about how COVID is basically. I'm probably gonna get a warning now. I am not a medical doctor or professional. I'm just saying that as a smoker and a drinker and being overweight, I'm already playing with 3 or 4 rounds in the Russian roulette chamber, so in the revolver, so I'm still fine, still kicking after 2 years. Tullamore Dew Irish whiskey. Didn't start drinking this until my ex-bartender, I guess, because he used to work at the bar near Prince Laubag, or in Prince Laubag near Ibiswaldstrasse. Yeah. called Scandals, and he's a Jewish guy from Tel Aviv, I believe, originally. I can't remember his name in Yiddish, but it's yeah, he went by J Newman. He turned me on to this stuff. It's pretty good. So he ended up being my flatmate for a couple of months there in Berlin. Got some more Jose Huevo. They didn't have the gold, so I ended up having to get. Oh, this is gold. Never mind. Blue agave. I think this is different than the other bottle I had. Isn't it? Oh yeah, I finished that earlier. I shot at tequila, but and they didn't have the Captain Morgan's Spice Gold, so I ended up getting dark rum there. Yar matey, this chair be high, says I. I don't even really like this stuff, but you know we used to drink it in university up in Waterloo. I think Mary Drost got me into this. Dr. McGillicuddy's peach stuff, another liqueur. Meh, might be good as a trade item for the ladies. Got a couple of Jack Daniels. I got the single barrel select. So this is like the high end, top shelf stuff. Got some Campari. One of my ex girlfriends in Berlin, JD Jadranka, Krivak. Yeah, she was. I think she moved to Wiesbaden when she was 3, but she's originally from Croatia. So she got me into this. That's pretty decent. So I saw that. I was like, "Ooh, that'd be good." It's bitter, but yeah, you mix it with wine or cider, something like that. She was really into the ciders. Okay, so that's that box done. Last box. Some Southern Comfort. Goes well with orange juice. I got a bunch of orange juice stuff as well as Tang and that. So, well, astronaut drink. Some SoCal. Release the Kraken. Yar matey. Yeah, you can go over by Captain Morgan there. We got the triple still Jameson Irish whiskey. I've been twice to the distillery in Dublin, and the second time I got to do the wine or the whiskey taste challenge thing where they put I think it's Johnny Walker for the American. They got Glenfiddich for the Scotch, and then yeah, the Jameson. And most people chose Jameson. So the first time I ended up getting a bachelor's degree as a an official Jameson whiskey taste tester, and then they upgraded me to a master's on my second time. So that was when I was there with Klaus and his pals, and went with Josie. And in honor of tonight, I'm gonna do cosplay as McCready, Kurt Russell's character from John Carpenter's Thing. So that'll get me some J&B. Got some Stolachnoya vodka. Someone told me this actually comes from like Lithuania or Latvia. I need to verify. Oh, it is Latvian. Riga. Okay. Well, I thought this was like better than Smirnoff and Absolute and other crap. It's like I don't drink Bacardi. I'd rather have Captain Morgan's. So, and another Gentleman Jack. There we go. So, yeah, for some reason they only had like the smaller bottles of Jack. So I thought, well, if I'm getting small, I'll get 2 of the Gentleman and or get the Gentleman and the single barrel select. So upgrade that shit. It's the end of the world. Why not? Cheers to the end of the world. Nostrovia. Prost. Skol. L'chaim. Mazel tov. Salute. What was the other one there? Slanche. There we go. All right. I'm remembering all my cheers in different languages. So that about does it. So yeah, I'll have another bit of finish off the Jack from last night and Gatorade. Bye for now, folks. Deutschland Day signing off. I'll be back on in about, let me check my watch. It's not working yet. 4-ish hours with some karaoke. So, peace out.